Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection of high-value room decor from construction waste and wood scraps to sculptural luxury. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Crafting sculptural room decorative from salvaged construction site wood scraps begins with a radical rethinking of what waste truly means in the modern design landscape. Construction sites generate vast quantities of offcuts, fragmented beams, and irregular timber remnants that are often dismissed as unusable, yet within these pieces lies a rich variety of textures, tones, and structural possibilities. The creative opportunity emerges when an artisan learns to view these scraps not as leftovers, but as a diverse palette shaped by human labor and industrial process. Each piece carries marks of saw blades, nail holes, and weather exposure that, when approached thoughtfully, become expressive design elements rather than flaws. By transforming these remnants into sculptural room decorative and partitions, the maker bridges the gap between raw material and refined interior art, offering modern spaces pieces that feel grounded, expressive, and intentionally crafted. The process begins with careful selection, guided by both aesthetic intuition and structural understanding. Not all construction site wood is suitable for decorative use, so the artisan learns to recognize pieces with integrity, density, and visual interest. Scraps vary widely in species, grain patterns, and surface conditions, creating an opportunity to combine contrasting elements into cohesive forms. Cleaning these materials is less about erasing their history and more about revealing their potential. Removing dirt, cement residue, and surface debris allows the natural grain to re-emerge, while preserving tool marks and weathering adds depth and authenticity. This balance between refinement and rawness is essential in creating sculptural decor that feels intentional rather than improvised, allowing the finished piece to sit comfortably in modern interiors that value character and originality. Once prepared, the artful arrangement of diverse timber offcuts becomes the defining creative act. Unlike conventional woodworking, which often relies on uniformity and precision, sculptural room decorative thrive on variation and rhythm. The artisan experiments with scale, alignment, and spacing, allowing irregular shapes to interact and create visual movement. Vertical and horizontal elements are combined to guide the eye, while subtle shifts in tone and texture add complexity and warmth. This process transforms simple scraps into functional art pieces that serve as partitions, room dividers, or statement decor, blurring the line between utility and sculpture. The resulting forms do more than divide space. They shape atmosphere, introducing a tactile, human quality into environments often dominated by smooth surfaces and minimal ornamentation. Sustainability lies at the heart of this approach, not as an afterthought, but as a core design principle. By repurposing construction site wood scraps, the maker reduces landfill waste and extends the life cycle of materials that have already served a purpose. This act of upcycling aligns perfectly with contemporary values, as homeowners and designers increasingly seek decor that reflects environmental responsibility without sacrificing style. Sculptural room decorative made from salvaged would become tangible expressions of conscious living, offering an alternative to disposable furnishings and synthetic materials. The visible history embedded in each piece reinforces this message, reminding viewers that beauty can emerge from reuse and that sustainability can coexist with elegance. The transformation of waste into high-value decor also reveals significant economic potential. Construction site scraps are often inexpensive or freely available, allowing artisans to invest more time and creativity rather than capital. Through thoughtful design and skilled execution, these humble materials are elevated into premium products that appeal to discerning clients. The uniqueness of each piece enhances its market value, as customers are drawn to decor that cannot be replicated or mass-produced. Sculptural partitions crafted from salvaged would offer bespoke solutions for modern interiors, making them especially attractive for residential spaces, creative offices, boutique hotels, and galleries seeking distinctive design statements. This exclusivity enables artisans to price their work confidently, turning upcycling into a profitable and sustainable business model. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. The emotional impact of sculptural room decorative crafted from salvaged wood should not be underestimated. These pieces invite interaction, curiosity, and reflection as viewers sense the transformation that has taken place. The knowledge that a partition was once a pile of discarded scraps adds a layer of meaning that deepens appreciation. This emotional connection strengthens the relationship between maker and buyer, fostering loyalty and word-of-mouth recognition. Customers feel they are supporting creativity, craftsmanship, and environmental responsibility all at once, a powerful combination in today's design-driven marketplace. The decor becomes more than an object. It becomes a story of renewal, resilience, and thoughtful design. Modern interiors, often characterized by clean lines and restrained palettes, provide the perfect backdrop for sculptural wood decorative. The warmth and texture of salvaged timber introduce contrast and balance, softening spaces while adding visual interest. When used as partitions, these pieces redefine how rooms are experienced, allowing light and movement to flow while subtly shaping zones. This functional artistry addresses practical needs without sacrificing aesthetics, offering a solution that feels both innovative and timeless. By integrating reclaimed materials into contemporary settings, the artisan demonstrates that sustainability and modern design are not opposing ideals, but complementary forces. Ultimately, crafting sculptural room decorative from salvaged construction site wood scraps represents a powerful convergence of creativity, sustainability, and economic opportunity. It challenges conventional notions of value, proving that discarded materials can be transformed into elegant, high-impact design elements with the right vision and care. Through mindful selection, careful preparation, and artful arrangement, diverse timber offcuts become striking functional art that enhances modern interiors while reducing environmental impact. This approach not only elevates waste into worth, but also offers a compelling path for artisans to build profitable, purpose-driven practices. In a world increasingly aware of resource limits and aesthetic meaning, sculptural decor made from salvaged wood stands as a testament to the enduring power of thoughtful design and responsible creation. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked high-value room decor from construction waste and wood scraps to sculptural luxury. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.